Powering the future of clean energy starts with the right infrastructure. At Endurance, we specialize in advanced CNG and LNG equipment solutions designed for efficiency, safety, and long-term performance. From high-performance compressors to fully integrated fueling stations, every system we build is engineered to meet the growing global demand for natural gas energy. Our solutions are trusted across industries, from transportation and logistics to large-scale energy infrastructure projects. We understand that every project is different. That's why we provide customized solutions tailored to your specific needs, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. With a strong focus on innovation and quality, our equipment helps reduce emissions while maximizing operational efficiency. Whether you're building a new station or upgrading an existing system, we deliver complete, turnkey solutions from design and manufacturing to installation and support. Join the transition to cleaner energy with a partner you can trust. Endurance, driving the future of natural gas solutions. Contact us today to start your next project.